Hello my friends, welcome on this video tutorial. Today I will show you how to fix this error. I'm trying to format an external hard drive on a Mac, and as you see, it's Western Digital Game Drive Media, and it's 2 terabyte external hard drive. We are not able to format this external hard drive. We see an error. So let's try again. What I'm doing, I'm just trying to format in a disk utility, and you see here I will check the format and I will make it exFAT and try to erase, and you see erase process has failed. Click done to continue. This is the problem we are facing. Okay, let's try with this method. Let's go with terminal and run the command diskutil list. Here on the diskutil list we will see all the disks we have. Okay, so we see here disk 0, disk 2, and disk 1 and disk 2. Here is 2 terabyte drive external. We have disk 2. Okay, right now we need to copy this command, sudo disk utility unmountDisk force disk utility disk 2. Okay guys, and put your password. Then what we need to do now, we have to type a command we need. Okay, the command we need now, we have this command, diskutil erase disk format type exFAT. Okay, and desired name, it will be wblack, and disk identifier, it will be disk 2. Disk 2. Okay, and you don't need to mess this up. Don't put another disk, because we have here disk 2, we have disk 1 and disk 0. We don't have to format any other disks, disk 0 or disk 1. We need to format disk 2, guys, and don't mess up with this, because you can format your computer. Be careful. Make sure you format the disk you want it. In my case, it's disk 2. It's external hard drive. Okay guys, this is my command here, and just paste the command here and click enter. As you see, this command, it works as well, and now we are able to use our disk. Is back and it's working here. If you have any other questions, just write me a comment on the comment area and let me know if you were able to fix this issue. God bless you.